can sometimes be frustrating and uncomfortable, but Lord, I truly believe it's in the waiting room that you manifest your power. Help me not to grow weary in well-doing, for in due season I will receive my blessing. Lord, I know some things don't make sense to human eyes, but help me keep my eyes on you. Lord, hold my hands, guide my thoughts, my fears, my words and my prayers. Help me to always reflect on all the goodness you have done in my life. I will wait, I will trust, I will stand on every promise you've spoken, though I cannot see the way. I know you're making a way. In the waiting room, you're working for my good. In the waiting room, you're strengthening my faith. I declare my breakthrough is coming. I declare my season is near. My God has never failed me, and He won't start now. Father, I need a breakthrough. Father, I need it right now. But if I must wait, teach me how to worship while I wait. Teach me how to praise while I wait. Teach me how to trust while I wait. For every delay is not denial. You're preparing me for what's ahead. I won't let fear speak louder than your voice. I won't let doubt steal away my hope. My eyes are fixed on Jesus. My heart is anchored in your word. Though I wait, I will not be shaken. Though I wait, I will not give up. You are faithful. You are able. You are always on time. I will wait. I will trust. I will worship through the waiting. My breakthrough is coming. My healing is coming. My answer is coming. My season is coming. The God who began this work in me will be faithful to complete it. Father, the waiting room is no longer my prison. It has become the place where I have learned to trust you. And when I walk out of this waiting room, I won't just carry my blessing. I'll carry a stronger faith, a deeper worship, and a greater testimony.